can't seem to get the right look and color out of your GoPro videos? In fact, one of the most common questions that a GoPro user asks is why sometimes GoPro footage looks too flat or undersaturated. On GoPro, this is often due to the ProTune feature called GoPro Color, set to flat, which lets you record videos without any added color style. The other option, by default, is GoPro Color, that adds a specific color style directly in camera. Hey, I'm Andy, filmmaker and author of Project GoPro, a GoPro video making school. On the site, you'll find the link down in the description. You can find dozens of free tutorials that will help you get started with GoPro video making. I've also left a link to download my free GoPro settings cheat sheet that has already helped thousands of GoPro enthusiasts learn how to set up their GoPro before every shooting. So go and check it out, it's quite cool. But now, without any further ado, let's get started. So if your videos look too flat, don't worry. You just need a few color tweaks in post-production. And in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make your GoPro flat footage pop. What is color correction? Color correction is the process that balances color. It includes adjusting exposure, contrast, and simple color tweaks. This process produces the most realistic representation of what your eyes would actually see. On most professional editing apps, color correction is a fairly standard and accessible feature. What is color grading? Color grading is where you create your video's aesthetics. It's an entirely optional process, especially if film realism is your goal. Of course, color grading does help express a visual tone or mood to highlight in the narrative. For example, boosted orange and blue tones could be used to enhance a travel story, as shown in this video, for example. How to color grade your GoPro flat footage. So if you shot your GoPro videos in flat, you need to do something about it. Otherwise, you'd keep the undersaturated colors, which don't look so nice. So if you shot GoPro footage in flat, you can make these colors pop by color grading it manually using any semi-professional or professional video editing software like Final Cut Pro, for example, or Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, it's a good one for color grading, or even some of the most professional editing apps on mobile phone, which allows you to do color grading as well, like KineMaster. The app called KineMaster or KineMaster, I never know how to pronounce it, but it's pretty cool if you are, if you want to edit on mobile and change the colors of your footage. So in this example, I just want to show you how to color grade flat GoPro footage within Final Cut Pro. The issue with editing colors manually. Other than skills, color grading might take a long time. That's the downside. Even for professionals, there is no difference. So what's the solution if you don't want to invest so much time by manually color grading your films? The answer is simple: by using LUTs or color presets and apply them to your clips within just a click. But what are LUTs? LUT stands for lookup table, and it's used in color grading to transform the color value input as recorded by your camera into a desired color value output as set by the LUT or preset. Simply put, LUTs are preset color values, so you can easily apply professional color grading yourself and give your desired look to your videos instantly. Watch this video to see how much your videos or photos can change before and after applying a LUT. Among professional film editors, there are dedicated teams of people just for color grading. Imagine, they are called film colorists. I've actually got a friend who does this. It's pretty cool if you like changing colors and tweaking colors of films. So you can imagine how widely used this niche can be. We made our own GoPro color grading filters pack specifically designed for GoPro footage style. They are essentially color presets designed by film colorists for filmmakers who have very little or no experience in color grading. It makes this skill much more accessible so that anyone can apply professional level color tones. Our cinematic color grading pack offers a wide range of color tones to cover most GoPro activities. How do you use LUTs? LUTs can be used to enhance your videos instantly without having to color grade every time. If you have recorded your videos in flat mode, then the color LUTs will enhance colors, contrast and exposure to match your footage with the color tone that you select. So you can imagine how much these color presets help GoPro users in the editing process. I initially made these presets to color grade my GoPro video projects and the content on the site. And now it's being used by literally hundreds of filmmakers all around the globe. The GoPro Cinematic LUTs pack is compatible with footage coming from any type of camera, including GoPro, action cameras, and it works with most video editing software. Cameras. Compatible with footage coming from all cameras and drones, including the GoPro Karma, the DJI full lineup drones like Phantom 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever Phantom, Mavic Pro, the Mavic Pro Spark, Mavic Air and others. It has an optimal compatibility with ProTune GoPro Flat color profile. Software. It works with most photo and video editing software such like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Lightroom, Adobe SpeedGrade, Avid, Cyberlink Color Director, Final Cut Pro X, DaVinci Resolve, Sony Vegas, Filmora Wondershare, Power Director, Capture One, Luma Fusion, 3D LUTs Mobile and much more. To install the GoPro LUTs is quite simple, even if you are not so familiar with editing and video editing software in general. In fact, in most cases, you just need to import these presets file into your video editing software and apply it on your footage. Then you should be able to adjust the intensity within the color settings. And that was my GoPro color grading guide of this series of video tutorials. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Remember to download the free GoPro cheat sheet that you find the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and please like and subscribe, as it will help the YouTube algorithm show it to other GoPro enthusiasts just like you. Stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao!